Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Tannu. So in this video you will see a conversation where we are going to use some idioms with their meaning. So let's see. Hey Priya, how was your hiking trip over the weekend? Hey Tanu, it was amazing, but we ran into a hiccup along the way. A hiccup? What happened? Well, we were climbing up the mountain and suddenly it started pouring rain. We were totally unprepared and we got soaked to the bone. Oh no, that sounds tough. Did you manage to find shelter? Yeah, luckily we stumbled upon a small cave. It was a lifesaver. Stumbled upon? What does that mean? Oh, sorry, I used an idiom again. Stumbled upon means to discover something unexpectedly or by chance. We did not plan to find any cave, but we found it by accident. I get it now. So cave was a real blessing in disguise, hmm? Yeah, exactly. A blessing in disguise means something that seems unfortunate at first, but it turns out to be a beneficial. If it were not rain, we might miss the cave. That's true. So what did you do after finding the cave? Well, we decided to wait out the rain. We played some card games and had a blast. Wait out? Is that another idiom? Yeah, it is. Wait out means to stay in one place until the particular event or situation is over. In our case, we stayed in cave until the rain stopped. Sounds like you made a best of a challenging situation. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.